Beech Forest School SS number 3235. The first Beech Forest School opened at George Ferguson's home in 1895. There were a number of temporary sites between 1900 and 1903, including a room at the Ditchley Park Hotel. A weatherboard structure was built north of the hotel. However, this was a cold, drafty place with no heating and massive overcrowding, and burnt down in 1906. In 1909, this school building, consisting of the large main area with a small cloakroom at the rear, was constructed on 2 acres of land donated to the Ministry of Education by John Gardner. The school was reported to have robust attendance with over 100 students. The first head teacher was Samuel Lewis, who served until 1914, with John Gardner the first chairman. In 1911, the second section was constructed, costing £550 and comprising a large classroom facing south, an L-shaped connecting hallway with an enlarged cloakroom at the rear. It was the last day of school in 1949 that a time capsule was buried in the grounds. Students submitted compositions describing life in 1949 for inclusion in the capsule along with coins and pictures. The whereabouts of the capsule still remains a mystery to this day. The school operated until its closure in February 1981 with just 7 students remaining. The building is now a private residence that was respectfully restored in 1988 from its derelict state, with blackboards still in place, one of which can be seen in the Otway District's Historical Society history rooms today. The Beech Forest School Song. We're pupils of Beech Forest School, way up among the Otways. We learn at school to keep the rule and do our duty always. 'Neath colours true of white and blue, we'll strive to win her fame, sir. Come wet, come fune, come foul or fair, Beech Forest will be top, sir. Images on this sign include a photograph of the Beech Forest School and students from 1914 and the Depler children on the way to school in 1905.